Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I'm the wife to a Marine Corps veteran who is also a New York City boy. I'm the mother to 3 wonderful children, and we have a fur baby. Her name is Summer. She is a pit bull and beagle mix. On my channel, I show you so many different things. Yes, it's a variety channel. We garden over here so we can eat healthy. I'm a couponer so we can save money. I raise chickens now, so we can have some free eggs and different things like that. It's just so much to find over here. So I hope my channel motivate and inspire you in the different ways that I am showing things. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the video if it's God's will. Hey y'all, so I wanted to bring y'all along with me as I clean up another part of the garden, the deck area. Y'all, the weight of this world can be so discouraging. It can be so discouraging. Trust me, I know. I don't wake up every morning encouraged or motivated, I should say, to go out there in the garden, to go prepping, to do videos. I don't. But then when I look into my kids' face, that is like all the motivation that I need. So I'm asking y'all, if y'all experience the same thing that I experience, sometimes you just don't feel like it because you are a human being. If not for someone else, do it for yourself because you are worthy. You are worthy. And we should be able to we should want to, let me say it like that, we should want to be able to withstand whatever this world throws at us when it comes to, being self-sufficient. Withstand it, if only just a little bit. Something is better than nothing because, eventually something will get past us. So if we can get out and garden or prep or, just stock up or whatever we can do, that can be enough. So whichever time you're watching this video, if it's not late, if it's not in the evening, if it's not, of course, late at night, take me into the garden with you. That's what these videos are for, to motivate you. Take me into the garden with you. I would just love to be there. If you are watching this late at night, you can always go back and watch this video again when you go into the garden. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and I hope it motivates you and inspire you to, get out there and grow some food so you can help out yourself, your family, and maybe others, because y'all, it's coming, okay? Whether we like it or not. But at the end of the day, we really don't know when it's coming. We just know it is. And it's our responsibility to do what we can for ourselves as much as possible. Remember, it's no one else's responsibility, especially if you got kids or elderly or disabled people around you. You have an even bigger responsibility. So, with that being said, let's finish this video. Okay, y'all, so right here, that was I think these was cucamelon vines that voluntarily came up. Some seeds must have got off in my, I think that's my plum bush or my pear, maybe my pear. I like my pear tree actually. And y'all, with this heat and stuff, they was tore up. I was debating if I was gonna leave them out there, but then I decided, nah, let me just snatch all this out of here because I don't want to have to come back and snatch nothing else later on. So I went on and just took all those vines out of there because, we starting fresh. This is getting ready for the fall season, okay? We starting fresh. So I didn't want anything in there. And then that's pulling nutrients and stuff from my trees, okay? And I got my trees very young, and they still in a young stage, some of them. So I want them to be, as healthy as possible, okay? They already taken a beating with this heat and then rain and all that stuff. So here I'm just sweeping everything, sweeping those vines and stuff up, getting those spider webs. There was a lot of spiders. I gotta go out here and spray. Oh, my olive tree. Yeah, that vine was in there. I was like, ooh, no, 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 don't break that. But there's a lot of webs going on all over the backyard. The spiders is just having a field day, but I got something for them, sure do. So yeah, so I was just sweeping all those vines up. Like I said, there was cucumber vines, and I think if I ain't mistaken, a little cucumber bush had tried to get off up in there at one point in time, but I think it must have, I don't know, must have went on and didn't make it. You see me going through there with that broom. This is my outdoor broom. Just a little cheap broom that I use to, go in between things, get those spider webs and spiders down and stuff, because I don't like walking into none of those and stuff like that. So, yeah, so, I'm just standing there looking now because I'm like, don't want to walk into now. But yeah, that's what's going on in this area. Those are my Meyer lemon bush that I showed y'all yesterday or the other day, one of them days. I don't know when this video going up, but what I showed y'all, somebody asked me about the Meyer lemon bush, the patio one that I got, and my pink variegated lemon one. That's what y'all see right there, those two in the orange bucket. So a lot of the spiders seem like they just really love that. Right here is my strawberry plant. They had just kind of went, rough, rugged, and crazy. That's what I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna say the rest. They had kind of went crazy. Some areas was good and some areas wasn't. So yeah, I just cut off and just trellised them around that tomato cage as much as possible. Because I like to keep mine. They always come back. I do got some strawberries that is growing on them. So that is a plus right there. And I've had those plants since spring. I grew them. I think I bought maybe one strawberry plant, but then I grew the rest of them from seed. So yeah, and I got strawberries coming on there. So I ain't complaining about that. Right here is my fig tree. She has dropped her leaves. If y'all have fig trees, I don't know. This is my Texas everbearing. I don't know if y'all familiar or if y'all the kind that you have do this, but mine's drop her seeds. Not her seeds. Drop her leaves. She produces figs, and then she drops her leaves around this time, and then she will start growing leaves back. In another video I'll show y'all, because she has already started doing a lot of good greenery to add her new leaves. So I'm just helping her out by cutting the ones that I know gonna drop, because I didn't want to, really, to be honest, I didn't want to be sweeping all those dead leaves up and then have to turn right back around and she done dropped the last little few leaves. So I went on and helped her out, because I know they was gonna be coming off anyway. So she can grow her new leaves and stuff, and then when it get really cold, she drop them again, y'all. But she gives a lot of good figs. Last year I got a lot of good figs, but I know this year I kind of neglected her and a little thing like that. So she gave some figs, but I didn't get out there in time enough to get them because the heat was just so bad. And I could have walked out and got, but it just seemed like time they was right, they was bad because of the heat and stuff. So I'm like, okay. But last year she did really good, really good. So right here I am cleaning out my little planter thing right here, and I had decided that I was gonna put herbs in these. So if y'all saw the video the other week where I went to Lowe's and got some plants, that's what I did right here. That's what I was doing right here. Well, that's what I'm gonna put in here, y'all. Let me tell y'all, because I'm finna stop talking. I can't sing, okay, but I be singing. Alright, so that's what y'all gonna experience while I plant this. So I'm gonna let y'all just, enjoy Christmas. you waiting for me. Da 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 da. Love me, you'll be better for me. You love my love, you got it. You don't ever anyone but you. Question of my love, you got it. Sorry, I got plans for you. Got making plans. No, I've been making plans for you. I've been making plans. No, I've been making plans for you. My love, I know to anyone but you. It's a question of my love. You got it. I got making plans. I've been making plans for you. I've been making plans. I've been making plans. You got it. If it helps to anyone but you. If it's a question of my love, you got it. Got plans for you. I can making plans. No. Oh, baby, I've been making plans for you. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you were motivated. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And also check out the information in the description box below because it has a lot of links to different things that you may be interested in. So with that being said, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Bye.